guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys have been well and good. So today we are back with Igbo classes. Okay, yes. So today's class is going to be Igbo greetings. So how do you greet people in Igbo? And before I start this class, I really want to apologize for the first video I made teaching Igbo. The translations were coming up different because my daddy translated it. So as I said before, there are different dialects in Igbo, so you can say the same thing in 5 different ways and it will mean the same thing. So it wasn't wrong, it was just I was saying something different to what I was writing. So it was kind of wrong, but it all meant the same thing. I don't know how to explain it, but I really apologize. So this time around, I am going to translate it how I translate it in my, I don't know, because I'm kind of mixed with Anambra State and Iyala, my mom and my dad. So I speak a lot of the dialects, do you get what I mean? So sometimes it might be different and I apologize, but I will try my best going forward to make sure that all what I'm saying and anything that's coming up on the screen will say the right stuff. You zig, you zig. Okay, let's get into learning Igbo greetings. So you're here to learn how to greet people in Igbo. Okay. So the first word we're going to learn today is hello or how are you doing. So if you want to say hello or how are you doing in Igbo, you say KEDU. Did you hear that? Someone said I was fast in the last video, so I'm going to take this as slow as possible. Okay? KEDU. KEDU. And that's as slow as I can get. So when you meet someone or when you see someone, you're like KEDU, it means how are you doing or hello, but it's mainly used like how are you doing or how body, like if you want to see stick pigeon, how body. So it's KEDU. Let's say it one more time. KEDU. If you want, you can pause this video and repeat the word so many times it sticks in your mind. Okay? Okay. So let's say that one more time. KEDU. It means how are you? Hello. Or how body? How body? How fun? How you doing? I bet how far? Like what's going on? Babe, what's going on? What's happening? What's happening? Show us the way. Okay. Drifting away. We're drifting. We're really drifting. So if you say KEDU to someone, the person's reply normally is O demma. Let's try again. O demma. Let's try one more time. O demma, which basically means fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. So I have like my little dictionary book where I write it. So if I keep looking down, that's because my words are here. So if it's, yeah, Odema means I'm fine, thank you, or fine, thank you. So let's try it. Let's say it one more time. Odema. Let's try it again. Odema. Fine, thank you. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. KEDU. Odema. KEDU. Odema. You can pause this video and repeat the words again. Yeah? Good. The next word is NDEWO. That sounds so robotic. If you see someone again, you can always say NDEWO. Yeah, let's say it again. Your tongue is kind of stuck under your mouth. So it's NDEWO. NDEWO. It means good day or welcome. Yeah? So yeah, NDEWO, good day or welcome. So if someone comes to your house and you want to be polite, you can be like NDEWO, NDEWO ma, NDEWO sir. It means good day ma, good day sir, or welcome ma, welcome sir. NDEWO. Let's say it one more time. NDEWO. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, there again ma. So when you greet someone with NDEWO, the person usually is older than you and they'll always reply Oga deregema. That means it shall be well with you. So how do we say? You can also say that like a blessing. Oga deregema. One more time, because I know it's a bit longer than the words I normally say. Oga deregema. mma. Let's try it one more time, darling. O ga dere ge mma. It shall be well with you. O ga dere ge mma. Yeah? Are you here with me? If you're here, make sure you drop a comment. Let's learn this word together. So let's say, hold on. So let's say one more time. O ga dere ge mma. Last time. O ga dere ge mma. It shall be well with you. Yeah? It shall be well with you. In Jesus' name, amen. As you're watching this video, it shall be well with you. Yes. Another way you can say welcome to someone is no. So you hear this a lot in Nollywood Igbo movies. So if someone comes, you say no. It means welcome. It's literally so short. No. No. One more time, baby. No. Let's try it again. No. No. It means welcome. It means welcome. So if you see someone, you're like, no, it means welcome. So if someone comes to your house and you want to welcome them, you can say no. It means welcome. No. No. Yeah? Okay, let's go on to the next word. If someone does something for you and you want to say thank you, you say DALU. So if you want to say thank you or well done, if you see someone doing something, you say DALU. That's another way to say it. So say if you go to the market and you see a lady selling stuff and you're walking and oh DALU, it means well done though. As per Nigerians, we don't do this to greet this in every way. So it's well done though. So DALU. Let's say it one more time, boo boo. DALU. Okay, let's try again. DALU. Try it again. DALU. 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 Say it all together now. DALU. Yeah? Let's try again. DALU. What does that mean? Well done or thank you, depending on the way you want to use it, but it all means the same thing. Okay? Okay. So the next word is KEDU ka IMERE. It means how are you doing? So let's say it one more time slowly. KEDU ka IMERE. So you remember the first word we learned in today's class is KEDU. It means how are you? KEDU ka IMERE. How are you doing? Yeah? So that's how you schedule in a sentence, I guess. So let's say it again. KEDU ka IMERE. That's perfect. Let's try it again. KEDU ka IMERE. Slowly. KEDU ka IMERE. It simply means how are you doing? Yeah? So if you want to politely ask someone how are you doing, you just say KEDU ka IMERE. Yeah? That's perfect if you get it. The next word is ademoma. So that's a reply to the last word we just learned, KEDU ka IMERE. So if someone asks you KEDU ka IMERE, you reply ademoma. It means I am well or I am alright. I am alright. Yeah? So KEDU ka IMERE. Ademoma. Let's say it again. Ademoma. Let's try it again. Ademoma. That's absolutely okay. Let's do it one more time. Ademoma. Again. Ademoma. I'm fine. I'm alright. Whichever word you want to use, you just make sure I'm okay. Yeah? The next word is, if you want to say good night, you say kachifu. So it's night time, you're going to bed, your parents are saying good night, my darling, you can say kachifu. Yeah? So that means good night. Kachifu. Let's say it again. Kachifu. So these are little words that you can use every day till you start getting used to it. You get what I mean? You start getting used to it. You start forming sentences with it. So let's try good night one more time. Kachifu. That's perfect. Let's do it again. Kachifu. I love it. I love you guys so much. Okay, so the next word is sorry. So if you want to say sorry, you say ndo. Yeah? So let's say if you offend someone and you want to apologize, just simply say ndo. It's not going to kill you. You're not going to die. Do you? Just say sorry. Everything will be okay. Just say ndo. Yeah? Let's say it again. Ndo. That means sorry. Let's try it 2 more times. Ndo. That's perfect. Let's say it again. Ndo. That means sorry. The next word we're going to learn is no. So if someone asks you to do something you don't want to say, or to do something you don't want to do, you say mba. Mba. It means no. I don't want. I'm not doing no. So no means mba. Let's say it again. Mba. So if you use this word like slowly, like every day, you kind of get used to like Igbo tongue, and then you can start forming bigger sentences. Like, you get what I'm saying? I don't know if you get what I'm saying, but you get what I'm saying. But yeah, so no means mba in Igbo. Mba. 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 Let's do it again. Mba. Mba means no. 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 Okay? Okay. I feel like everyone should know this word. I use it every day in every sentence. To text somebody, please. BIKO. You can say please in so many rude ways. BIKO. BIKO. BIKO now. It's like, it's a word you use in you can use it in every way possible. So if you want to say please, you say BIKO. Let's do it again. B-E-Ko. Yeah? B-E-Ko. Perfect. Let's try one more time. B-E-Ko. That means please. So however you want to come and use it, it's up to you. So yeah. So you want to learn how to say hold on. It's CHERE. So that means hold on. CHERE. CHERE means hold. Mo. Hold on. Yeah? CHERE. CHERE. It means hold on. Yeah? Or wait for me. CHERE. It means, I feel like it means more of wait for me than hold on. So if someone is going to say CHERE, it means, yeah, CHERE means wait for me. Yeah? So CHERE mo. Wait for me. Because CHERE means wait. Mo means me. So it means CHERE means me. Wait for me. Is that not it? It's the same. You can say hold on. So it's still the same thing. So CHERE mo. Let's say it very slower. CHERE mo. Let's do it again. CHERE mo. Let's do it one last time. CHERE mo. CHERE. CHERE. It means wait for me. Yeah? Do you get that? Okay, if you don't, just pause this video, listen to the words again, and keep saying it to yourself, and try to use it in a sentence or in a situation where you can use it. Yeah? Okay. So thank you guys for, that's the end of this video. So thank you guys for tuning in to today's classes. If you are confused about any word, comment below. If you enjoyed this video, comment below and tell me your favorite word or what word you would like to learn, and I'll try to put it into the next few classes coming up. And I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Comment below, make sure you like, share it to your family and friends so that we can spread the Igbo language and keep it alive. Yeah? Yes. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you click the subscribe button and the little bell next to it so you can subscribe to my channel and get a notification whenever I post a new video. So yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy it. Follow me on all social medias, my Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat. It should be in the description box or somewhere here or somewhere there. I don't know yet because I have not edited this video, so I have my cat. I don't know. Just have my calculations. Okay, so we're going to be guys back in next week, and I will see you guys soon. So make sure you learn these words, because next week's classes we're going to be learning something totally different. Yeah, okay, see you guys back here soon. Bye. And no, why is this? What is this? Oh.